Throw it overhanded. Put that glove back on. Make sure you open your glove back up. Okay. Nice catch. Almost. Good job, Johnny. That was pretty good. Whoa! Nice save, Ben. Nice catch.
I'm getting good.
Better. You're getting better. Woo! Nice. Throw it overhanded to Ben. Throw it to his glove. There you go. Oh, almost. Good job, Ben. Oh, you okay? Shake it off. Come here.